Hello there, my name is Abbass, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick pro tip on how I manage my work with Google Chrome group tabs. Here is my browser, and you see that I have 4 groups, one for online store and the other for social, Google and work. So in this group all the tabs related to the online store are there, and similarly for social I have Facebook, Instagram in this social group, and in the Google I have Gmail, Google Sheets, Maps and Google Keep. So this is how I manage my work. Alright, so to make a new group you can just open a tab. Let's open a tab here, let's say Gmail, and then you can group these two tabs by clicking on any of the tab and add tab to a group. You can also add this tab to a old group, or you can just create a new group, YouTube group. Alright, so you can just move these two tabs here and that's it. Okay, so this helped me to be more productive at work. So I can just click on this group and close group, and I can click on any of the group and move group to another new window. So this is very useful tip. So I hope you learned something from this video, and give this video a thumbs up and share this video in your circle. Stay connected for more pro tips. Thank you for watching this video.